everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. Thank you for joining me for another demonstration today using our brand new stamps launched this week. I do hope you are enjoying them. This is Jalandhar, who we're going to be using today. There's quite a lot of detail in him. So anyway, we're going to be using the Yupo Card and alcohol inks. And we're going to use one of our stencils on this as well. So just going to pick a couple of colours. I think we're going to go with patina and raspberry today. I might bring in another colour. Let's just see how we get on. So let's start. That's a really beautiful colour. And we're going to pop the raspberry as well. These are really bright colours actually, so it'd be interesting to see. I haven't tried them together before, so let's see what we get. We've got a nice bit of purple going on there as well with the mix of the two. Okay, so I've got my air dryer. I'm just going to blow that around. They're really lovely colours together, they are. Okay, so going back to the patina now, and some blending solution. Just going to give that a bit of a swirl around, and then back to the air dryer. Okay, so I'm going to soften the edges now, so literally just taking the alcohol blending solution, I'm just going to work with that, moving those colours around, and then again taking the air dryer. And you can see that's just eliminated that harsh edge now. So I'm going to do the other side. I'm just going to soften that little bit in the middle there. Okay. So now I've got my lovely smoky wavy background. I'm going to use the alcohol lift. So again, I'm just going to draw a line of that across the top and just get my card ready. Using the brayer, I'm just going to sweep that down the page like so. Take your card, pop it on, just line it up, and then give that a good smooth over. And hopefully that will take a good print. And there we go. Colours work so well together on that. Again, that's something I might make a note of. What was it? Raspberry and patina. So I'll make a note of those, how well they work together, because they kind of bring in a purple as well. Okay, so as I say, we're going to be stamping Jalandhar today. So I've got him on my very, very large Perspex block here because he won't fit on anything else. These stamps are one of the largest sizes that I've done. The original artwork that I drew, they're really quite big images, so you can only shrink them down so much without it then losing the details. So they've ended up big stamps, but that's great. I'm really loving the size of them because they make such a good impression, you know. They're a real focal point of a card. Okay, I'm going to pop him down, give that a good press. Let that rest a while on the card. Okay, let's see what we've got. There we go, perfect. And you can see all that lovely detail. Okay, so I'm going to take one of the stencils now and just bob that over the top. I'm just going to use just around the edge there. So taking one of the smoothies, and then what colour shall we go with? Let's go with Twilight. Okay. So just placing that down. I mean, you can tape it down if you want, but yeah, perhaps you should tape it down because I've just moved that now. Hold it down or tape it down, best bet. And then I'm just going to use my smoothie just to work my way around the edge. And let's see what this comes out like. I'm hoping it will just give a really nice texture. Just something a little bit added to what we've already got. And there we go. That's fab. Okay, so I'm going to go around the edge. Let's pick another colour. Let's pick Fantasia for this one. So just working my way around the edge, and it kind of just pulls your eye into the centre. and it just frames that lovely image in the middle that actually doesn't need that much more doing to it. So let's have a look what we've got. I'm looking for my white pen now, so I can just highlight areas on the jellyfish just to make it pop out that much more. Just take your time. I do love colouring in, I must admit. Again, it's very therapeutic. You kind of just get absorbed in what you're doing. Okay, so that's just made it stand out so much more now. I'm going to do this on the frills hanging down as well. Just highlighting areas. It's quite amazing how it just pulls the image out, making it look more sort of dimensional, just by adding a little bit of white. And there we go. Okay, I was going to add some words. Do I add some words or not? Maybe we'll add some very faint words down the side. Okay. So inking up. I'm just going to test this first. So probably that last one, so the third stamped image, I think is enough, because I just want it to be very subtle. Yeah, that's perfect. So probably get another one out. Yeah. Excellent. Okay, so using our glue pen, we definitely need just a little bit of glitter. So I'm just going to dot, following the markings on the jellyfish. Just a few little dots. And then just a few coming down. And glitter, what colour shall we go with? I think we'll go with the holographic actually. Keep it light. Just want a tiny little bit. Nothing too bright. And there we have it. Just enough, that just stands out. And that's our lovely Jalandhar. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Thanks for taking the time and joining me today, and I hope you're enjoying the new stamps. Thanks for watching, guys. You take care and speak to you real soon. Bye for now.